Good morning, students. Let us take word problem based on fixed value. Question: a person start his job with a certain monthly salary and earns a fixed increment every year. If his salary was rupees 4,500 after 4 years of service and rupees 5,400 after 10 years of service, find his initial salary and the annual increment. Okay, students, you can see here fixed. So, fixed kind of values are given to us. Then, how can we solve this question, student? So, let the initial salary equals to rupees X. Let the fixed annual increment equals to rupees Y. Okay, students. According to first condition, student, you can see it is given to us if his salary was rupees 4,500 after 4 years. So this is initial salary plus 4 years of service given. So 4 times he gets increment. So his total salary will be X plus 4Y, because we have supposed fixed annual increment rupees Y. So for 1 year increment is rupees Y. So for 4 years it is 4Y. That's why I have written here X initial salary and 4 times increment. 1 time increment rupees Y, 4 times increment 4Y. So X plus 4Y equal to 4,500. Similarly, student, according to second condition, it is given rupees 5,400 salary becomes after 10 years. So this is initial salary X and 10 years given student. So 1 year annual increment is Y. So for 10 years 10Y. X plus 10Y equals to 5,400. Okay, students. Now two equations are there. We have to solve them by any method. I am going to solve them by elimination. Solving first and second, you can see x coefficients are equal. So when we change the sign, x is cancelled. 4y plus 10y, 4y minus 10y, we have to change the sign. So minus 6y equal to minus 900. Y equals to 900 upon 600. Then it is 150. Okay. So y equals to rupees 150. Putting value of y in equation number 1. This is equation 1, student. So value of y is 150. So at the place of y we have to put 150. X plus 4 into 150 equals to 4,500. X plus 600 equals to 4,500. 600 transfer this side. X equal to 4,500 minus 600, 3,900. So monthly salary equals to rupees 3,900 or annual increment equals to rupees 150. Okay, students. Let us take word problem based on ratio. So, student, this is the question. The monthly income of A and B are in the ratio of 5:4. Ratio based on ratio, that's the ratio is given to here. And their monthly expenditure are in the ratio 7:5. If each saves rupees 3,000 per month, find the monthly income of each. So students, ratio of monthly income given to us 5:4. So let the monthly income of A equals to 5x and let the monthly income of B equals to 4x, because this is the ratio of income. So when we suppose the income, then same variable should be there. So income of A 5x or income of B 4x. Now student, the ratio of monthly expenditure given to us 7:5. So let monthly expenditure of A equals to 7y and monthly expenditure of B equals to 5y. Because first A is to B is given, and here also A is to B. Expenditure of A to B given, here also income of A to B. So first one is the expenditure for A, we have to take, and second expenditure for B. Correct? Now students, saving is given to us. If each saves rupees 3000, it means this is saving. So saving we can get when we subtract expenditure from income. So for saving of A, 5x minus 7y. From income of A, we have to subtract expenditure of A. So 5x minus 7y. So equation number 1, 5x minus 7y equal to 3000 because saving is 3000. Similarly for B, from income we have to subtract expenditure to get saving. So 4x minus 5y equal to 3000. Okay, both saves rupees 3000, that's why. Okay students, now we have to solve these equations any method. I am going to solve now by cross multiplication method, student. So a1 upon a2 we have to calculate. You can see 5 upon 4. b1 upon b2 minus 7 minus 5 minus cancel, and c1 upon c2 3000 upon 3000 1 is to 1. So you can see a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. It means the given system of equation has unique solution. To solve this equation, student, we have to write xy minus 1. As I told you earlier, if the equation is in the form of ax plus by equal to c part is given after equal to this side, then we have to take minus 1, xy minus 1. Now we have to write bcab, b coefficient of y, 3000. a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 minus 1 minus 5. Okay. BCAB, student, remember we have to write here original value, not simplified value. So we have to, it is not required to write here 1 is to 1. We have to write original value 3000 upon 3000. Okay. BCAB. So xy minus 1. So cross multiply 7 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 3000 minus 21,000 minus 5 into 3000 minus 15,000, and we have to put the sign of subtraction here between them. Similarly, y upon multiply this 12,000, it is 15,000. We have to put minus sign between them. Minus 1 upon minus 25 minus 28, we have to put minus sign between them. Okay. So now minus minus plus, student. So x upon minus 21,000 plus 15,000, y upon minus 3,000 equals to minus 1 upon minus 25 plus 28. So now do the calculation, student. X upon minus 6,000, y upon minus 3,000 equals to minus 1 upon 3, student. So now take first and third part. This side we have to do cross multiplication. So it will become 6,000 upon 3. So x is 2000. Now we will take second part and third part, student. Y upon minus 3000 equals to minus 1 upon 3. We have to do the cross multiplication this side only. So it is equal to y equals to 3000 upon 3. So y equal to 1000. Correct? We have to find out their monthly income. Okay, students. So monthly income of A student 5x. So x value is 2000. 5 into 2000 equal to 10,000. Monthly income of B 4x. 4 into 1000 equals to 8,000. Okay then, students. Okay then, students. Have a nice day.